Hi, in this example we have a large number of devices that are capturing sensor data, and these are being acquired via NiFi agents. These agents are sending the data to us here in our NiFi server running as part of Cloudera data flow, and we'll make sure that everything is running and data is starting to come in, and we'll look at our processing. First thing we want to do is take any data that's being sent to our Cloudera data flow servers and get that into Kafka. Once we have this data into Kafka on our servers, we could replicate it to other places. We could have it consumed by Spark applications for data engineering, or they can be consumed by SQL Stream Builder to do real-time analytics, to send it to Iceberg, to send it to different places to execute CML jobs right away, or just to drop it into S3 or into any Ozone or object storage that we could use later for training. So we have the sensor data coming in here, and in this other application we're consuming those messages from Kafka as they come in. We're going to do some transformation on them to make the data format the way we need it, and to update some values, and then we're going to update the health using the predictions that we have, so that we know if this is good sensor data. And then we're just storing this into Kudu so that we have a very fast data store that we could use to pull data out of, whether that's for final applications, for training, for other purposes, for aggregation. We could take all this data from Kudu, pull this out in another program, and use this to feed into our training or inference for any kind of model. And it's pretty straightforward to do that. As you can see, we can easily send to multiple Kafka topics at the same time while writing to Kudu. We could also at the same time add different data stores. So since say I wanted to write directly to Iceberg, I could just add that very simply and have that happen at the same time without much work. Very easy to do this at real time and send that data wherever it needs to go in whatever format it needs to be, whether that's JSON or it needs to be in Avro, Parquet, whatever format we may need to send it to, we can do that very easily.